Hey, chicken wing.
Sorry. Never mind. Don't you do that. Absolutely. No, you stop talking.
No swearing. Stop. Fuck you.
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited.
I love you. What?
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Hey, get out of here! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to
Fuck Cannon.
Now you come over here and mess on my couch again, I'm gonna come back to your couch. Yes, I am. Well,
Keep up.